I think I did that rather well. I deserve a drink. Now, wherever your local might be, the chances are it's not the same as it used to be. With continual redecoration and modernisation, it's quite likely that the only things that haven't changed are the spirit dispensers. Scotch, please. Can't get the staff these days. Well, even those spirit dispensers won't be staying that way for long, because in 3 years' time, the Department of Trade and Industry are going to begin the slow phasing out of all the old-style dispensers in favour of more efficient designs that are more hygienic and don't leak. Thank you.
And this is what they're likely to be replaced by. I feel a bit like an air hostess here. Right, fancy another drink?
No, I think one's enough, thank you.
Well, this new design makes use of a look at what's happening inside. Touch more to the right. That's it. Lovely, thanks very much. Now, inside this reservoir on the left, yes, a microprocessor is behind all this, letting the fresh spirit come down here into this second reservoir and making sure that everything happens in the right order. What's more, there's another bonus for the publican, because you get a complete printout of all of the drinks that you've dispensed of an evening. So, with all this and the occasional extra pair of hands, things really are looking up for the harassed barman. Cheers.
Cheers.
So you haven't got a pint.
And just as Bruce Wayne comes to prefer being the cool and powerful Batman, Robert Louis Stevenson explored what happens if you don't want to take off the mask because you like the new identity. Dr. Jekyll soon gets used to his darker side.